Good day, welcome to my channel Passive Income. On this channel we talk about legit ways how you can make 100 to 200 a day online just from the comfort of your home. So in today's video we are going to look at a site called PicoWorkers. It is a website where freelancer can sign up and do small gigs for business owners and earn cash. And something very important for you to know, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to put in the time and effort in order to receive the amount you want to earn within a day. So all you need to do is head over to PicoWorkers website and create a new account and start earning today. Also, when you earn, you can withdraw your earnings with RTM, Litecoin, PayPal, and Skrill. So if you find this video helpful, you can support the channel by pressing that red subscribe button, and also leaving a like on the video. We will be uploading more content like this to help people make money online, so stay tuned for more content like this, and thank you for watching.